Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In the last video, we have seen how we can access global state from Redux Toolkit by using useSelector. Like here, we use useSelector, and with the help of this, we use counter and we display the number of counters. Now, in this video, we are going to execute the methods and actions that we require to increment and decrement this value. So you know that state is available here in this slice. So on that place we can execute these methods. So these methods are increment and decrement. So we are going to access these methods and we have to write some code here to make possible this increment and decrement. For that, you see that in last without using the global state, we were performing the operation in total counter, because total counter having a local state and all the counters was available here in this total counter. So these methods are available from that, but here we do not have to perform because directly this counter can access the global state. So here we can access those methods. For that we need variable, constant variable, I say dispatch, and here I need use dispatcher like this, and this I want to use, but here I need to specify the data type of this, then I can use it. So again I have to go to this storage and I say export type, and here I say app dispatch, you can give any name, app dispatch equal to, and I say type of, and I say store dot dispatch. Remember, this I am displaying, and this I want to import app dispatch. So this I am taking here in counter. So I say import and I say app dispatch like this, and this app dispatch I want to specify here the database app dispatch. Save this. Now this dispatch this dispatch function, we are going to execute a method. So here we want to execute a method, and remember that this method which we are going to execute are increment and decrement. So we have to import these methods also. So I say export, here I say increment and decrement, these two methods I want to export, and I say here const type of this, and I want to export it from counter slice dot actions. Remember, like reducer we are exporting here, same we are exporting the actions. Actions means this increment and decrement functions are the actions. Now these actions I need to import here also to use it. I say import, I say increment and decrement from the counter slice here, and now I need to call this here. So I say dispatch, under this I say increment, here I am passing the id props.id because the number I want to pass. Remember that this props.id I need to pass, it is a decrement not increment. So I paste here increment and I change it to decrement, and I am passing a id. It generating a error because we have to convert it to the string, you see. So increment and decrement, both the methods we are executing. Remember, we are importing these methods from the slices here. Now if I click, it would not respond because we do not have any coding here. We have to perform coding, then we can do this. So we have this. So we have passed here the id also, increment and decrement. Now we have to perform a coding. So we go to counter here, and here in counter we have to perform this. So we have a number here, small number, and we have to specify here also number in a small. Save this. Now here we have to make a coding. So I say state dot filter. So filter, we have to filter it here, and we have counter here, and in this counter I need this coding also, and I say if this counter dot id equal to action dot payload. If this is like this, then we say counter dot count plus plus because we are doing increment, and after that I say return counter. So like this way we have to make a coding. Remember that if id is equal to the id which we are passing, then we increment, otherwise we are not doing anything. And for decrement also, here I paste the same code. So I copy this code same and I paste this code here same, and in place of plus plus I say minus minus. Save this. Now once again I restart it and then we try to perform the task. So I say plus. So this plus minus, they are not working right now, so we have to check coding is okay, and we have this in counter. So here in counter we are passing the id, so this is small number, not capital one. Save this. So number we are passing from here, dispatcher on press. We have to restart once again, I think. Now I click here, nothing is performed. We have counter, so we dispatch on press minus string press, everything is okay. So I close this application and restart once again so that it can take all the libraries. Now application has been started. So you see, if I click it, incrementing also, it decrementing also, increment decrement. You see everything is working now after restart. You see everything is going on. So we are able to access the storage by using useSelector. Now we are also able to access these methods, those are available in the slices as a global function to perform operation on these states. So we are able to do this on calculator. You see, we have done everything by using Redux Toolkit. Now I think you understand how to use useDispatcher to execute a methods available in a slices as a global method to modify these states. So in next video I will tell you that how you can make more buttons like delete, reset and total counter active available in this. So how you can do this by using this Redux Toolkit, we will learn in next video. And I think in this video you understand the use of useDispatch also. If you learn it, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.